Welcome back to another episode of Hit or Miss TCG. Today I'm going to do a Korean pack of Night Wanderer. Let's see if this can get us anything nice. If it can get us anything spooky. Chipao and Chikao. It's the elephant that I'm not sure what its name is. Rowlet. Horsey. Is this Spidops? I'm not really too sure to be. Yeah, Spidops comes from Joltik, I believe. And then, wow, I don't know this one's name either. But this was the first card leading into the second. It's a holo, but I guess Night Wanderer lived up to its name. Wandering off into the night, leaving my luck same as it's been. Well, tomorrow I am doing something really nice. You're not going to want to miss it. Stay tuned. I'll see you then. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And yeah, like I said, I'll see you tomorrow.